Evacuating vacuum bags on composite parts can make up a large percentage of production time, with variables and uncertainties like unknown leaks. Because COHO monitors airflow during the evacuation, it can provide the operator with continuous feedback on the drawdown of the part, signaling leaks or abnormalities early in the bagging process. Here is a demonstration of COHO's flow data visualizing the evacuation process. When a bag is sealed, we would expect the rate of flow to initially spike when evacuation begins and gradually fall as the amount of air in the bag decreases. In an ideal case, the flow rates would fall to 0, indicating that no new air is entering and the bag is sealed. Here we see this trend occurring during a COHO run. The stoplight indicators shown here are used as a simple pass-fail indicator for operators. Note that they change along with the flow rates, with all indicators displaying a green checkmark when the flows have fallen below the user-defined threshold. At this point, we can be confident that the bag is sealed within the tolerances required for this part. When a bag is leaking, we would expect flow rates to fall to the point at which air is leaking into the bag at the same rate it is being removed by the vacuum system. The plot should show falling flow rates before the specific ports level out. Here we see this demonstrated in COHO. When the flow rates stop trending downwards, the stoplight indicators for the affected ports begin signaling failures. COHO has a variety of features to make vacuum bagging a reliable, repeatable, and efficient process. Please watch our other videos for more information or visit our website at www.convergent.ca.